In this video, I will show you how to fix the microphone on your AirPods Pro. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are trying to use your microphone on your AirPods Pro and you're not having any success when you're trying to make calls, then there's a few fixes I'm going to go through with you today in this tutorial. So make sure to watch this video all the way until the end. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So the very first thing I would recommend is just simply putting your AirPods back into the case. So if you go ahead, put them back into the case and close the lid, and you want to leave them for about 30 seconds. What it's going to do is reset the Bluetooth connection. Then what you can do is just go ahead and try again to see if that resolves the problem. If it's still not working, the next fix I would recommend is to go ahead and restart your iPhone, as sometimes there can be bugs or glitches which can be affecting the app or software drivers which are related to your AirPods Pro. So if you go ahead and restart your iPhone, this will resolve any glitches or bugs, and then you can try again to see if you can use the microphone. Another thing you want to make sure is that your AirPod Pros are fully charged. So if they're not fully charged, this can cause the microphone to not work successfully. So when you put them into the case, make sure there is a green light on the status light on the front of the case to ensure they are fully charged. After they're fully charged, and once they are fully charged, go ahead and try to use the microphone, and hopefully that should resolve the problem. So what you can also try is cleaning the actual microphones on the AirPods Pro, as sometimes they do become clogged up with dirt and dust and other sorts of things. So if you get like a small cotton swab or a Q-tip or even a soft cloth, and at the bottom of the stem on your AirPods is where the microphones are located. So you just want to go ahead and give these a quick wipe to remove any dust that may be preventing the microphone from working. So another thing that could be causing this is the actual settings of your AirPods Pro. So if you've only got, for example, one AirPods Pro which the microphone is working, say for example the right one is working but not the left one, what you're going to want to do is check the settings. So if you come into the settings app on your iPhone, then go ahead and select Bluetooth. And what you want to do is locate your AirPods Pro and go ahead and press the little blue eye icon next to your AirPods. And from here, you want to make sure that the option is selected for automatically switch AirPods. So if it's only set to one AirPod, of course the microphone's only going to work on that specific AirPod. So you want to make sure it's set to automatically switch AirPods for the best experience and to ensure the microphone works correctly on both AirPods. And if none of those work for you, the final thing I would recommend is performing a hard reset on your AirPods Pro. So to go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is put both AirPods into the case and close the lid and leave that for about 30 seconds. Next, go ahead and open up the lid, but make sure to leave the AirPods still inside the case. And then what you want to do is open up your settings and go into Bluetooth. Now go ahead and press the blue eye icon next to your AirPods Pro. And what you want to do is just click on to forget this device. So now what you want to do once you've done that is go ahead and open up the lid on your AirPods, and with the case lid open and the AirPods Pro inside your case, if you look on the back of the case, there's actually a small white button like this, and what you're going to want to do is just press and hold onto that button until the light on the front of the case changes from a blinking white light to a amber or orange coloured light. Once it changes to that colour, go ahead and hold it next to your iPhone, and what's going to happen is going to pop up on your iPhone so you can reconnect. And then try to use your microphone again to see if that does resolve your problem. Now, unfortunately, if none of this worked for you, what you're going to need to do is look into replacing your AirPods Pros. So to do that, you want to check if they're under warranty, in which case you can take them into an Apple store or contact Apple support to see if they can send a replacement. If they are out of warranty, it is the case that you're going to need to purchase some new AirPods Pro, because it could actually be an actual physical problem with the microphone component on the AirPods Pro. So that is how to go ahead and fix the microphone on your AirPods Pro. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.